Hi guys, welcome back. So the next thing that we have to do is to create a new package in the composer. Okay, so let's go to the our root folder ballerina first and create a new folder. Okay, so I'll name it as the calculator. Okay, calculator. You can use any name. Alright, so here I'm going to create a file with the name lib.bal. Okay, so soon you guys will be able to understand why I give the name like lib.bal. uh, Wait, actually these are some previous files that I have been created. All right, wait, I will remove those things. Okay, all right, so lib.bal. Okay, so remove this package statement. All right, so after that let's use the code that they have been given in the community program. All right, for the set of functions they have been given. Yeah, all right, so these are set of functions which provides the basic functionality, basic arithmetic operations of a calculator. Okay, all right, so let's go to the composer. Okay, composer and paste it. Okay, so I think it's pretty much obvious the reason that I gave the name lib. So because this I'm hoping to use this file as a library. Okay, that means simply a file containing set of functions. Okay, so actually here I'll give a quick explanation about this function declarations. Actually it's pretty much obvious. Okay, if you guys have some kind of a previous experience with any programming language like Java, C or C++, the understanding this function structure is quite easy task for you guys. So you guys can see the function keyword is there to tell this is a function and the function name. Okay, then the parameter list and the return type. Okay, and simply after that they are doing whatever the operation they need to do and simply return the result. Okay, all right, so it's pretty much obvious. Hope you guys can understand it quite easily. Right, so after that I'm going to create a file which use these functions and do something. Okay, so I will name this file as main.bal. Okay, all right, so it's pretty much obvious that particular file should be a normal application which use these methods. Okay, functions actually. Okay, so let's take the code from the ballerina community program again. They have given that particular set. This is pretty much straightforward code. It's also very much easy for you, will be easy for you guys to understand. Okay, let's see. Yeah, as soon after you guys have been copy paste that code, you guys will be able to see a error. Okay, so it's actually a very small error which the documentation has been done. So it is very straightforward. You guys will be able to see it quickly. Okay, so they have declared a variable with the name c here, and as well as they have redeclared it here. Okay, so as a result they are showing it as the redeclared symbol c. Okay, so actually what is the intended purpose of this c variable is to catch the particular output that the user enters, um, and may take that input and store it in the c variable. Okay, so what is there here they are doing is, so this readln function is quite similar to the scanf. Okay, it is quite similar to the scanf in c++ languages. So for the argument what we have to give is a kind of a string, then it will be printed and it will be waited for the user to enter some input. Okay, then they will catch that input and return it as a string value. So that's why they have put use a string to catch that return value, and in the next line what they do is it's kind of similar to the casting. Okay, they cast it into int. All right, good. um, so you guys should be able to quite easily understand it. It should be this c. Okay, so I should remove this int. Okay, all right, so it's after that this if block is there to identify whether the user's choice is to exit. Okay, see number 5 is for exit, so if so it will break, because see this entire this entire application runs inside a giant for while loop. Okay, so they seem what for the exit what they have to simply do is to break it from this while loop. Okay, that's what they have done. Okay, after that they are requesting for numbers to enter and assign those numbers to two float variables. Okay, Alright, so after that they check the what is the user's initial requirement. That means what operation they need to do. If it is one, that means to add, they will add it, they will call the add function. If it is subtraction, they will call subtraction. Okay, you guys can put another thing as well. I will use, I uh, put the next one as well. Else if I can say if c is equal to 3, I think it should be the it should be what it should be multiply. Okay, so what I will do is simply tell them multiply result. Okay, multiply result. So io print ln yeah, what we have to call is the multiply function. Okay, by passing a and b. Okay, so you guys can add the next function, next functionality for the divide as well. Okay, all right, so that's what we have to do for the this main application program. So it is very quite simple. Okay, actually if you have write any kind of basic programs in other programming languages, surely you have written something similar to this one. Okay, it simply you consume it simply uses set of functions predefined, okay, and pass values and get inputs, get the return values and show them. Okay, so it's a very straightforward thing. Okay, so here there is no any service implementations. Okay, just a normal typical general application. Okay, like in any other programming language. Okay, so this shows actually ballerina is capable of such kind of applications as well. All right, so let's save this file. Okay, then go to our let's go to our root directory, because now you'll be able to see our package directory is there, calculator. All right, yeah. So in order to run this file, if you guys may think we can go to the directory for the calculator. Okay, calculator. Okay, and quickly and directly run this main.bal. Okay, see what will happen if you do that one. Okay, it's better to see that as well. Ballerina run main.bal. Okay, because that is what we did previously. Okay, that's why I'm going to show you this thing. Okay, see what will happen. See, they say undefined function add, undefined function subtract, and undefined function multiply. Okay, so that means what, they are unable to the compiler say he is unable to identify these functions. Okay, it is pretty much obvious. We are directly running this function, this may file only. Okay, here there are may know nothing about these the definitions of these functions. Okay, it is in a separate file lib.bal. Okay, and not like in other languages, they do not have an option to connect these file as well. Okay, maybe there is a way, but in this scenario, in this stage, that we are not going to talk about that thing. Okay, so here they do not show anything for that thing as well. Okay, so what the thing that we have to do is, it is something like this. Okay, we are not going to the inside the directory and running the particular file. So what we do is, from the root directory we are running the package. Okay, so what we do is ballerina run calculator. Okay, ballerina run calculator. Okay, so now you guys will be able to see it intelligently identify the file with the main. So first they will compile everything, then they intelligently identify the file with the main function and execute it. And since we have run the package itself, the runtime gets the ability to connect the files and run it. Okay, that's why it works. Okay, so now you can choose any option. I will select addition. Okay, can give to any numbers. Alright, I will select the function that we wrote, which is the multiply. Okay, right, so you guys will be able to see the result as well. Okay, so if you want to exit, I will give the option 5. Okay, so it's now ended. All right, so that's it. I hope you guys have got the basic understanding of this is actually running a normal application. Okay, this is not a service based thing. It is pretty much obvious. You guys can see there is no any service implementations. Okay, there is no any client program. This is not a client program. It's a normal application program. Okay, so I hope you guys have got the some kind of idea how to do this. For further details about these check keywords and about these functions, for more details you guys can refer to the ballerina documentations provided in their site. All right. So hope you guys got that idea, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.